If your hotspot is not working properly on Motorola Edge 60 Pro, if other devices cannot find or connect to your hotspot, then let me show you what you can do in order to solve or try to solve these issues. So first of all, we're gonna of course open settings. We're gonna go to network and internet, and let's go to hotspot and battery. Sometimes simple turn off and turn on action can solve some issues, so you want to do that first. If this doesn't help, the next thing that you can do is go to the Wi-Fi hotspot, and over here you should be able to find the QR code generator if the hotspot is enabled. So turn on the hotspot and then tap on this QR code generator, enter the screen lock password, and then you can use this QR code in order to scan it on other devices that you try to connect with. So get the other device, scan the QR code on that other device, and you should be able to connect to the hotspot. However, if it doesn't work for some reason, or you cannot scan this QR code, then the reason why, for example, it doesn't work might be due to the speed and compatibility. So over here, if you go to speed and compatibility, the first thing that you can do is disable the Wi-Fi 6 hotspot compatibility, and then give it a try. So some other devices might not support Wi-Fi 6, so naturally, if the hotspot is set up to use Wi-Fi 6 standard, it might not work. The Wi-Fi might not be visible. Besides that, you can also switch the frequency to 2.4 GHz, because once again, some devices might not support 5 GHz frequency, and therefore they might not be detectable on other devices. After that, if that didn't help as well, you can also make sure that hide my device option is not enabled. Of course, you don't want to hide your device unless you can actually use the QR code, then in that case it doesn't really matter. But if you cannot scan the QR code, then of course you don't want to make your device invisible. There's also the timeout setting. However, we always have, by default, at least minimum 10 minutes to let other devices connect to us before the hotspot is automatically disabled. But if you need more time, then of course we can adjust it over here. Now, besides that, you can also just change the hotspot password as well. You can set up something easy like numbers from 1 to 8. I think we need at least 8 characters to be able to save the password. Yeah, there we go. So you can set up a super easy password in case the Wi-Fi hotspot is detectable, but you cannot connect, because it might be due to the password actually. So set up something easy for now. Of course, there's also the security option. However, I don't think it really matters that much. This should be enough. Now, if none of this helps, you might have issues with your, for example, with your mobile data or with your Wi-Fi. So you want to make sure that if they work, you want to check that they work, because, well, if they don't work, if the Wi-Fi is not working on your phone and you try to use the hotspot, then of course it doesn't work. Well, the access will not be shared. And the same goes with the mobile data. So you want to make sure that they are working. However, if none of this helps, you can actually also reset the Wi-Fi settings and mobile data settings. However, I think these things are like the last things that you should do. Nevertheless, if you want to actually perform that reset, then we want to go to System Settings. Then over here, go to Reset Options. And over here, we have the Reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi option, as well as Reset Mobile network settings over here. So you can select the reset settings option. The same goes with over here with this option. So once you confirm, of course, Wi-Fi networks will be reset. Same goes with Bluetooth. Unfortunately, this cannot be separated. So you will need to reconnect your Wi-Fi networks and Bluetooth devices, by the way. And if you make some changes to the mobile network settings, then you might want to check if they are set up as you wish them to be set up. But that is pretty much all we can do. If you use Wi-Fi, if you try to share the access to Wi-Fi, you can also try to simply disable Wi-Fi for now in order to try to share the access of mobile data if you actually have access to mobile data. On the other hand, well, this can also be the reason why the Wi-Fi is not working on the hotspot. So you might want to switch it around just to see if this helps. But that's pretty much all we can do, I think. There's nothing much left in the settings that we can do. So that's all. I hope this video was helpful. Leave a like and subscribe.